Good morning, reception. Wow, I cannot believe we have already had a whole week's worth of phonics, and now we are on to day 6. Wow, well done. Okay, are you ready? Here we go. Well done, that's right. K for kangaroo. Well done. M for mountain. That's right. H for horse. Remember? You should be able to feel your breath on your hand. H for horse. P for parrot. Well done. That's right. R for rabbit. That's right. T for tall tower. Now, have a look at this picture. He is in a boat. Do you know what sound it starts with? Well done, that's right. It starts with the sound B, and we sound it out like this. B-O-T, boat. Well done. Have a look at this. What is the sound? Well done. It's B-O-L, ball. Well done. Now, this character is singing. Can you sound out the whole word sing? Off you go. Well done, well done. It's got 4 sounds. S-I-N-G, sing. Ah, what is this little boy doing? That's right, he's having a jump. Can you sound it out? J-U-M-P, jump. Well done. Okay, we are going to sound out, or you're going to sound them out first independently, and then we'll sound them out together. Are you ready? Wow, well done. That is absolutely amazing. Now we're going to do it together. Are you ready? P, O, K, D, I, K, O, D, K. Well done, everybody. That's brilliant. Now, can you see Alfie? I think he's asleep. Let's go and have a look. He's all wrapped up in a little blanket. Let's go and have a look. Shout, wake up, Alfie! Oh, look, he's a little bit tired today, but he's going to wake up for you guys. Ta-da! He's ready. Okay, Alfie is going to break it down, and you're going to say it fast. F-O-N. That's right, fun. B-E-D. Well done. Bed. B-E-G. Well done. Beg. B-E-St. Did you get it? It's quite a tricky one, that one, isn't it? Let's do it together. B-E-St. Best. 4 sounds. Try this one. This also got 4 sounds. S-E-N-D. Well done. Send. Try this one. B-O-T. Well done, everybody. That's a tricky one. Boats. Okay, this time Alfie's going to say it fast and you're going to break it down. Get your robot arms ready. Deck. Well done. 3 sounds. D-E-K. Deck. Try this one. Neck. Well done, everybody. Neck. Neck. Okay, try this one. Tent. This one is really tricky because sometimes it's really hard to hear the N sound. Okay, it's got 4 sounds. T-E-N-T. Tent. Well done. What about this one? speak. 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 Well done. You've done a brilliant job there. Okay, say goodbye to Alfie. I think he wants to go back to sleep. I'm going to put him in his blanket. And he can go back to sleep. But we're too busy working, so we're not going to go to sleep. Okay, are you ready? Oh, have a look at the new sound today. Do you know what it is? That's right, L for leg. Okay, I want you to have a go now. If you get your blue book out and your pencil, writing some familiar sounds. The first sound is B. The next sound is F for flower. The next sound is U for umbrella. U for umbrella. The next sound is K for caterpillar. K for caterpillar. The next sound is T for tall tower. T for tall tower. Well done, everybody. Right, I want you to have a little practice now at writing down new sound 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. I'm going to show you first because we do it a little bit differently to this picture. Okay, so we go down the leg and just give it a little hook. Okay, down the leg and give it a hook. Are you ready? Off you go. Did you finish? Well done, that is absolutely brilliant. Okay, have a little go at writing these words. First of all, we have leg. Can you write the word leg? Well done, everybody, that's brilliant. Let's try and write it together. L E G, leg. Now, lips. Now, it's not one lip, it's 2 lips. So it definitely needs an S on the end. So think about the word lip and then put an S on the end. Okay, have a little go. Did you get it? Let's see. Okay, we'll do it together. L, I, P. And because it's more than one lip, you've got 2 lips, you put an S on the end. Lips. Okay, now this is a lid. Lid. Can you write it? Well done, everybody. That's brilliant. Let's try it together. L, I, D. Lid. Well done. That's fantastic. Okay. Now, I want you to have a go at writing this sentence. It's quite a tricky one. I'm going to say it 2 times, and then I want you to press pause. Okay? And have a little go, and then unpause me when it's finished. So the sentence is, the lid is shut. Ready? The lid is shut. Okay, give me a pause. Hi guys, did you get it? The lid is shut. Let's write it together. The capital letter because it's the start of your sentence. Finger space. Lid. finger space, is, finger space, shut. So this makes one sound, sh, t, shut. Now remember, at the end of your sentence you need a full stop. Well done. It's time to go and find some treasure now. Can you have a look around your house, maybe in your garden, in your bedroom? Maybe you can get your family to help out as well. Try and see how many things you can get that start with the sound, you've guessed it, L for leg. Well done. Bye for now, guys. See you tomorrow. Have a great day.